that she can move it quickly. You also don't want the rice to sit on the nori too long, otherwise then it just becomes overly soggy. Yeah. And you really can't mess this up.
Try that. That might be too hot for
Put whatever you want. So she's going to show you how the same basic technique is going to now translate to an inside out roll. An inside out roll is when you see the rice on the outside. And everything else is on the nori.
This time you don't have to save space. You actually use it all. And they have a different kind of flavor, so they come out different color. They'll be really pretty, right?
Yes. So furikake is a rice seasoning. It's a condiment as well. So they come in different flavors. Which
It's also sold over there.
Yeah.
And after we do that, we put another mat on it, press it, turn the other side. Okay? Then we can start put all the food in here. Same thing, just like the other. Cucumber. Hey, how come your uncle don't come to work anymore?
Which uncle?
The oldest one. He and I always talk about how to grow vegetable.
Oh, because he wants to be retired.
All right, and we can put one more dish. It's just for color. What else can we put? That's it, right?
You got it.
Okay. Roll it, press it. Do it again. Turn over. Do it again. Ta-da!
Oh.
Go inside out.